felt safe.
I felt funny.
It felt different than the other one.
This one looks icy. How far back does this go? Bonnie!
I'm going up. Yes. Oh. Oh.
Come back this way.
Just crawl through to the side.
You gotta crawl.
Sorry.
I don't know. Hold on. Do you need me to come back for you?
Look.
Whoa.
The electric motors.
Wow.
Another grease and oil. Wow. This is what ran the hospital.
Whoa. Look
I'm
at
sure
all
more of it is
this.
down in the basement, but this is part of it. Look at
Look
the
at
size
all
of that belt.
this. Huh?
Hi. Where are you?
We found a fun spot. Join us as we venture into who knows what this is. Wow. What have we found now?
More of the maintenance.
Oh.
Alright, careful. Right here is ice.
There's a little bit of ice up here. Wow. There's a little bit of ice when you get over here, Bonnie.
Step off to the side.
Holy cow. It appears to be. This must have been the maintenance work desk. Ew. Huh? I can't open this. Okay, nothing in there. Air duct detector.
Hey guys, here.
Hold on, we're making our way that way. He found a vent. Wow, this is huge. Hey, look at all this stuff. Wow. Oh my goodness, he's in the thing.
Pretty warm in here, actually.
Holy cow, look at all this stuff. Filters. Oh.
That's the first. There's more ice up here. So you can step in literally inside the air vent.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
I'm inside an air vent.
I think it's a day of first today.
Holy cow.
knew there was like a main part where people had to.
We're inside an air vent. Whoa. This is just crazy. This is crazy. Bonnie's got to get in the air vent next. Watch the ice.
Watch the ice.
You got belt right there. Always wanted to crawl around in an air vent, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's fine. It's free. It's an air vent. But remember, you're on top of this too. I like how it's got springs, so when it moves, it doesn't disrupt anything. Look at that. Right?
This is like, I don't know.
Getting air working.
Okay, I'm going in here. I don't know what's in here.
I went on the other side.
Under?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that noise?
Just the other side of it. So you can keep it inside there.
I don't know that. I don't know that this is safe in here. Hey, Chris, I see your flashlight. Where are you at? Are you guys crawling in the air vents still?
No.
You went behind the air vents?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yeah, oh dear. Kind of fun.
Yeah.
My backpack kept banging against the top.
I would never have seen this. Look at this.
And I'm laughing hysterical. Oh, wow. That is a wonderful relic.
What relic did we find? Oh my gosh, let me see that.
Yeah, I'll put the light. Take your picture. Here, I'll
It's
move that.
rusted.
Yeah, I've never seen hands in a while. Someone's missing that.
I was going inside the door
This
in
is
this
the
one.
inner workings of the air ventilation system.
In the hospital. No. In the waiting room with the wrench. Professor Plum.
But look at it. I like this. Look at that. It keeps it from moving the floor.
Cool.
Can you imagine these things?
Wow.
Ouch.
This thing's still got grease coming out of it. Or refrigerant. God, this is so cool.
Can we?
Yeah, we could, but I'm not low crawling.
Can we get there from another way?
Probably, yeah.
Let's go backtrack and try to get in there. That wrench, though.
I'm not low crawling.
Look at how thick the ice is.
Hee hee hee.
I'm getting off the ice.
This is like a big playground, too.
Oh, look at that.
What'd you find? Did you find another tool?
Yeah.
Oh, a socket thingy bobby.
Socket wrench.
Yeah. We found a socket. Chris did.
It's kind of hollow. Yeah, we get off of that.
Well, I know. I've done it a couple times and I gotta find something to hold on to. I don't know if
Here's the other side. I think I found a lead pipe, guys.
Okay.
We could totally play Clue up in here. I wonder wonder how safe this is to be over your spider webs.
That white. Here.
Whoa. Lithium something solution.